What was your experience with coconut water while growing up? For me then, we are made to believe that if you drink coconut water, you will not be able to know how to read nor write anymore. In other words, you will not be smart or intelligent. So then, people like me, we avoided this coconut water, not knowing that coconut water is not only naturally refreshing, but it's packed with electrolytes that keep your body hydrated and your skin glowing. It helps flush out toxins, boost digestion, and give you that energy kick without any sugar rush. So next time when you are thirsty, skip the soda and grab a fresh coconut instead. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to share so that others will see it. I love you all. Bye.